I love finding ways to clean my house that doesn't involve chemicals. This is the steam cleaner. This is so easy to use. I was really shocked. I thought it would be kind of fussy and complicated. It's not. You plug it in, you put water in, actually you put water in it first. Then you plug it in, you let it heat up, and it's ready to go. That's all there is to it. You can see there's no extra settings. There's nothing to fuss with. I love that. But I'm going to show you the attachments. I have used this on several things. Also, if you stay till later in the video, I will show me using it. So let me show you the attachments. You get 2 of these scrub brushes. They go on the end of the nozzle, or you can use it with this hose that goes on the end of this nozzle. I use this to clean my oven door. I'm going to show you at the end. You could use this to clean the tracks on your sliding glass door. So many different things. You could use it along your baseboard. I used it on my baseboard. Actually, I used this one on my baseboard and it worked so good. But you get 2 of those. You're also going to get an angled nozzle. This one is if you have something like maybe the rim of your toilet underneath that you want to get to, or something that's like underneath something. So this one is angled. You also get this one, which is great for larger areas. You can put this over top of it. This comes with it also. It is a microfiber cloth. And then you could do upholstery and you could do clothing. So then you would have this. So you could steam, you could steam clean your clothing or just steam it so that it, to get the wrinkles out. This is an attachment that goes onto here so you can clean your windows. Crazy. You could also clean like your kitchen counters, bathroom counters. I love that it's gonna disinfect without any chemicals. That is amazing. You also get this hose so that you can reach, and it's very flexible, so you can reach a little bit longer than what the machine does. And then you get this nozzle that pinpoints. So keep watching and I'll show you some of the things I've cleaned.
One of the dirtiest, grimiest things in my house is my oven door, and I always have a hard time with it. Here you can see the before and after. Now I tried it on glass and it works really well. And my baseboards are awful. They often get neglected and you can see the grime running down. You do need a cloth or a fiber cloth or a rag or something to clean up what's left over. The inside of my washing machine always has dirt and grime in it, and it's hard to get out. So I used the steam cleaner, and then you can see I used a rag and wiped it out. And look how much is on this rag. Look, that is disgusting.